Hey fans of farm life. So there's Winnie and her foal. She's now about 3 weeks old, and she's about double in size. She's doing really good. Mom's doing really good. We're getting the little foal acclimated to people. She's doing good at that. We haven't quite picked out a name yet. Right now we kind of call her Mini Winnie because she looks kind of just like her mom, only a smaller version. And it's a little update on the calf we were expecting. I'll just keep the camera rolling on these two. The calf was stillborn. It was stuck, so not sure how long it was trying to give birth. I noticed it at about 8 o'clock in the morning. I wasn't at home. Nancy was here by herself. Looked like one leg was tucked underneath, and so she couldn't push it out. Pretty sure it died in the process. Anyway, Nancy had to pull it out. The vet was 45 minutes away, but it wasn't breathing. It didn't, no heartbeat, so a little sadness on the farm. So, you know, with life, you know, comes death. Of course, the mom was mourning it for about 5 days, which seems to be kind of their average. One kind of weird thing, maybe not so weird, is that the other cow's calf is nursing on the cow that just lost her calf. So I guess the milk isn't going to waste, and the cow's getting little calf's getting a little extra. So, but it was kind of a traumatic day. You realize, you know, how precious life can be. So, but we do have a new foal and we do have a new calf. Just gotta move on, and that's what we're gonna do. Just keep moving on. Anyway, this is my update on the two that we didn't have when I made the first video of all the animals. So anyway, that's little Mini Winnie and Mama Winnie. And I'd show a video of the cows, but they're all down in the lower pasture chewing their cud. So anyway, this is the follow-up to the animals on the farm, and that's a wrap. Farm life.